Alright, imagine this. You're standing under a perfectly clear sky on August 12, 2026. The sun's blazing overhead, and then, slowly, impossibly, it just vanishes. Not behind clouds, gone. Like someone flipped a switch on the universe itself. That's the magic of a total solar eclipse, and honestly, it's one of those moments where you realize how tiny we humans are in the grand cosmic dance. But here's the kicker. This isn't just a cool sky show. It's a masterclass in physics, perspective, and why we're wired to look up. Let's unpack this. Okay, first off, if you're in Spain, Iceland, or Greenland, you're in luck. You'll be smack in the middle of that 182-mile-wide path of totality. But wait, even if you're not, there's something jaw-dropping happening. Ever noticed how nature throws a tantrum before an eclipse? The light gets, or weird. Not just darker, but like someone dialed down the saturation on reality. Leaves act like pinhole cameras, projecting crescent suns on the ground. And the temperature? It plummets. I mean, think about that. The air cools because the sun's literally being erased for 2 minutes. That's not weather. That's the universe tapping you on the shoulder. Now, let's talk about the real showstoppers, Baily's beads and the diamond ring. These aren't just pretty visuals, they're the moon's personality shining through. See, the moon isn't a smooth ball. It's got mountains, valleys, craters. So when that last sliver of sun peeks through those lunar valleys, boom! Beads of light. And then the diamond ring, that one sliver blazing like a cosmic engagement ring. But here's the thing, if you blink, you miss it. And honestly, that's the metaphor for the whole event. Eclipses force us to be present. No scrolling through photos here. Your eyes adjust, your pupils dilate, and suddenly you're not just watching space, you're in it. Then comes totality. The sky goes indigo. Stars pop out. And there's the sun's corona, a ghostly halo that's millions of degrees hot but invisible, or until now. Why? Because the moon's blocking the sun's blinding surface. Wait a second. This is exactly how scientists study the corona normally, using a gadget called a coronagraph. But here, nature does it for free. And here's a twist, that corona isn't just pretty. It's a mystery. Why is it so hot? What's fueling solar storms? An eclipse isn't nostalgia, it's a live experiment overhead. Oh, and those planets you'll see during totality? Jupiter, Venus, Mercury lining up like celestial spectators? That's not just a bonus round. It's a reminder, this eclipse isn't random. It's geometry. The same that guided ancient astronomers who predicted eclipses without a telescope or calculator. And yet, we still geek out over it. Why? Because we're storytellers. We attach meaning to shadows and light. For 2 minutes, strangers become family, all craning their necks at the same impossible sight. But here's my favorite angle, the danger. Yeah, eclipse glasses are must. But think deeper. How many of us take sunlight for granted? Until it's gone. Suddenly, that warmth feels precious. And when that first bead of sunlight bursts back, it's not just light. It's relief. A primal reminder that we're solar-powered creatures. Which makes me wonder, in 2026, as the shadow races across Greenland and Spain, will we see a surge in clean energy innovation? Or just a bunch of selfies? Maybe both. So, yeah, this eclipse is a spectacle. But it's also a mirror. It reflects our curiosity, our fragility, and our need to connect with something bigger. And if you ask me, the real magic isn't in the 2 minutes of darkness. It's in the billion conversations sparked afterward. The kid who decides to study astrophysics. The traveler who chases the next eclipse. The simple act of looking up and remembering we're part of a universe that still surprises us. Now, how's that for a 2-minute show?